Kia ora everybody, Chris Farhi here from the Bayleys Insights and Data team. Welcome to this edition of Market View. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick update on the latest activity in the housing market. First up, the REINZ released their latest housing market statistics for the month of December 2022. Now within this, the median house price for New Zealand was 790,000 and the median for Auckland was 1.05 million. Those stats are slightly lower than the medians from the prior month, and you can see that although the medians have been bouncing around a little bit over the past couple of months, the house price indices, which adjust for the quality of homes sold in the period, have also had a steady decline over the past couple of months. In terms of number of sales, over 2022 the numbers were generally lower than in prior years, and this was the case in December, with the number of sales lower than what you would see in a typical December. In terms of outlook for the market, a lot of the independent commentators at the moment are predicting a continuation of the downward trend in prices. Now, when you start to look at the logic behind their forecasts, the basic argument is that inflation is high, interest rates will continue to rise, and that will put downward pressure on prices. And so the recent data generally points to that. So inflation's high, interest rates are high, and there has been a downward trend in prices over the past 6 months. That said, there is a glimmer of hope on the horizon, and so the latest inflation stats, so these came out in January, whilst they were high, they weren't as high as some forecasters were predicting, and so there have been suggestions that inflation might be passing its peak, and that might then soften the outlook for future interest rate rises. Coming into this year, we've also seen some positivity from across our network, with inquiries from buyers during January generally being higher than was expected by a lot of agents. This suggests that there's generally more buyers looking to take advantage of the good buying conditions at the moment, so good selection of properties for sale and also less competition from other buyers. And that obviously makes a lot of sense rather than waiting out for the market to start to rise and for that competition to creep back in. On that note, here's a couple of recent sales that showcase those median price statistics. So first off, the median house price for New Zealand was 790,000. Showcasing this, we've got 15 Hideaway Gate in Parklands in Christchurch. This is a modern 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on 492 square metres. It's located in the highly desirable Lime subdivision, and so this was sold by Sean Creek, Liam Worsfold and Elizabeth Costley from Bayleys Prestons. Now with that same money up in Auckland, you could have got 25 Panoni Lane in Howick. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, brand new terraced home, well suited to first home buyers, investors or downsizers. This was sold by Lawrence Leo and Joe Derbyshire from Bayleys Howick. Now those two are pretty interesting for comparing the difference in prices for modern properties between Auckland and Christchurch. And you can see there's still some pretty good buying opportunities down in Christchurch. That said, up in Auckland, the median house price was 1.05 million. Now for that price, you could have got 4 Rivendell Place in Warkworth. And so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on 697 square metres. This was marketed by auction, and the auction was actually brought forward. This was sold by Kelly Bissett, John Williams from Bayleys Matakana and Bayleys Warkworth. Now taking that money to the South Island, you could have got 5 Kahu Close in Wanaka. This is a modern 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home on 467 square metres. This was marketed with a set date of sale and actually sold under a multi-offer situation, and that was marketed by Todd Soper from Bayleys Wanaka. And finally, you could have taken that money into the lifestyle market and purchased 1/1052 Mogakawa Road in Cambridge. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home set on 0.50 hectares. And this one was sold by Dave Kilbride from Bayleys Hamilton.